Hey folks, my name's Anthony Molinaro. I'm a public school music teacher for 15 years. I'm a certified teacher of Dalcroze eurythmics. I'm a Substack writer and podcaster and an advocate for using Dalcroze philosophies in public school settings. I'm so excited to give a course here with the Music ConstructED platform. It'll be a great opportunity to share the experiences and the strategies I've come up with for using the Dalcroze method in public school classrooms. The Dalcroze method's notoriously sort of difficult to untangle for folks. In a lot of ways, it presents a lot of challenges for a public school setting, but it's very powerful and the benefits for our students are very real. And I'm going to share with you the various ways that I've found through the years to apply the Dalcroze method in this context. So I hope you'll join me for Music ConstructED, professional development, Dalcroze method in the public schools.